Milo the Monkey's Climb, a story of failure, perseverance, and self-belief. High in the jungle trees lived a young monkey named Milo. He was cheerful, curious, and full of energy, but there was one thing he couldn't do: climb to the top of the tallest tree where the sweetest bananas grew. All the older monkeys could do it with ease, but Milo kept falling, slipping, and failing. The others laughed. "You're too small, Milo. Maybe tree climbing just isn't for you. Give up before you hurt yourself." Milo felt hurt, but deep down he whispered to himself, "One day, I'll reach the top. I just need to try again." Every morning, he trained. He strengthened his arms, practiced gripping the bark, and studied the way the older monkeys climbed. He failed again and again. He fell, got scratched, and even cried in secret. But each time, he wiped his tears and said, "Falling doesn't mean I'm finished." Weeks passed. Then, one cloudy morning, while the forest was quiet, Milo stood before the tallest tree. He took a deep breath and started to climb. This time, he didn't rush. This time, he remembered every lesson from every fall. And slowly, steadily, he reached the top. The wind blew gently. The bananas swayed like golden trophies in the sun. Milo looked out over the jungle and smiled, not because he had the fruit, but because he never gave up. When he climbed down, the same monkeys who once laughed were silent. Then, one by one, they clapped and cheered. "You did it, Milo. You never quit. That's real strength. It's not the strongest who succeed, but the ones who keep climbing, even when the world tells them to stop."